Samsung is making it easier than ever to share files across different platforms. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Samsung is rolling out a major update to Quick Share on the new Galaxy S26 series by adding built-in support for AirDrop. Samsung says it's updating Quick Share on the Galaxy S26 series to support AirDrop-style file sharing. Previously, sending files between Android and Apple devices has been more of a hassle than a smooth process. This is nowhere more evident than when you try to send photos from a Galaxy phone to an iPhone. Third-party apps are awkward, and using cloud links feels like too much work for a quick transfer. Meanwhile, Apple users have had AirDrop's simple tap and send feature, but it was limited to Apple devices only. Quick Share has worked well, but mostly just for Android users. With this update, Samsung is aiming for easier sharing across different platforms. Now, Quick Share will work more like AirDrop, making it easier to send files between different devices without extra steps. This update gives users a smoother way to share files between different platforms. Honestly, this is the update which people have wanted for years. Samsung's already rolled out this update in Korea on March 23rd, while the US will get it later but soon. At first, it's only for the Galaxy S26 series, but more Galaxy devices should get it in the future. Samsung plans to bring this feature to more Galaxy devices, which can make a real difference. If it works well, other Android brands are more likely to follow and add something similar. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.